السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. مرحبا بكم أيها الطلاب الكرام. سنأخذ اليوم الاختبار الثاني. Today we're going to take the second test. The second test is going to be much shorter than the first one and definitely much shorter than the third lesson that we have, or the third test we have for the third lesson. It's only 2 pages and you will only have to take 6 questions today with 1 extra credit question. So let's go ahead and begin. We're going to be using ذَلِكَ here. So pay attention. If the picture is larger, that means I want you to use this. If the picture is smaller, then that means I want you to use that. So make sure to use the correct one. And when you combine sentences, make sure you use the word and. Don't just say this is this, that is that. Say this is this and that is that. Okay? Question number 1 is you are going to come up with the question. I want you to use the word that to make a question. And then I want you to answer it with yes or no. Obviously all of it in Arabic. So you're going to write the question. It should say, using the word is that, and then you name any kind of item or object, and then you're going to answer yes or no, and you complete your sentence. That is that, or that is not that. For question number 2, it's the same thing. I want another question, and I want you to use that, and I want you to answer it using yes and no and a complete sentence. Number 3 and number 4. Answer in Arabic. أجب بالعربية. أجب بالعربية. Answer in Arabic. ما هذا وما ذلك. Number 4. من ذلك. Number 5. Here you're going to again use the correct ism al-ishara, which is the demonstrative pronoun. And that is going to either be using the word for this or the word for that, which means either you're going to say هذا or you're going to say ذلك. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have an image come up here. And when it comes up, if it's near, you're going to use the right one. If it's far or if it's smaller, you're going to use the correct demonstrative pronoun. Okay, so here's the first one. And there's the second one. Question number 6, we're going to do that again. Here's the first one, and there's the second one. Here for number 7, it's an extra credit question. And we talked about halib and leban. For number 7, I want you to tell me what you know about halib and leban. Are they the same word? Are they different? Does one mean one thing? Does one mean another? Do they mean, just define the meaning of halib and define the meaning of leban. As always, may Allah give us all tawfiq. May Allah give us success. And we ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to teach us that which will benefit us and allow us to benefit from that which we learn and increase us in knowledge. And that dua is, Allahumma allimna ma yanfa'una wanfa'na bima allamtana wa zidna ilman. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.